Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 45 solar energy clients each week in North and South Carolina using the perfect solar ads to get the best leads at the lowest cost possible. And, how am I going to do that? I'll be leveraging Facebook, Instagram, and Google. So I'll just go over, this is what I'll be going over in the next few slides or in the next few minutes. I'll show you how to get 45 clients each week. How some must do things your competitors are already doing, how you can get 2 times the lead by making just a few simple changes, how to guarantee you the best, the highest quality of leads every time, not just, quantity, but the highest quality of leads every time, and how this can be launched, in the next 5 to 7 business days without any risks. So let me just show you the opportunity right now. Here we have a tool which shows how many people are searching for solar installations every month. Okay, but keep in mind though, this is on an underestimation. There's actually a lot of people searching. According to this tool, there are, 1,400 searches. So 1,400 people are searching for solar, and it's 6,100 people are searching for solar panels in North Carolina alone. In the last month, renewable energy was searched 1,200 times. If you look at South Carolina also, you can see that 2,700 times people were there was 2,700 times searches on solar panels. And then these are potential buyers. Solar panels alone, in South Carolina, it was about 2,700 searches. These people are searching for a solar installation company. And, let's just say if you're if you're really conservative here, let's just say there are 1,000 people searching for, solar installation company. Well, what I'm about to show you, you can get 10%, 10% of them will call you, fill out a form, and want to work with you, want you to install solar panels in your home, provided that you are a good provider and all that. And out of the 100 leads, we can close 20% on average. This also depends on your sales process. Typically people are able to, close more than 25%. However, let's just assume it's, 20%, close rate. That is 100 new leads every month. Every month, and the lifetime value of a solar, 25 leads every week, that's 100 leads every month. And that's the lifetime value of a solar client is between $450 to $1,800. That is 45,000, 180,000 value every month coming in. So that's insane. That's an opportunity out there. They have. Yeah, that's opportunity out there. Think about it. So what are some of the things that the top solar providers are doing that you are not doing? They are, they have. What are some of the things the top solar providers are doing that you are not doing? Because if you look at this data right here, this is another tool that we use. Let's say. RussellHVAC.com is paying $6,000 a month on ad. This are also under estimation though, about 30 to 60%. They might be spending, even more. This is just the minimum they are spending. They might be spending about about maybe 90 to 100 grand a month. Depending, and then it might be. And then, you might be spending even mini the box, maybe spending maybe more than 20,000 a month. So these people are spending so much money. What is it that they have that you don't currently have? They have a solar energy client generating machine. They got a system that generates leads in and out. Which is why they are able to spend. They're able to spend, such amount of money on ad. They're able to turn 6,000 6 grand a month into 12 grand into 20 grand a month. But this is not complicated though. They're just two simple things that they have figured it out, which what you haven't They have made two simple shifts, which is they they're generating high intent solar leads, which I'll talk to you about in a minute, and they're able to scale high relevant ads. And relevant ads. What they are doing is they are not targeting what most people are targeting. The keyword that I showed you a minute ago. Solar panels was the biggest keyword, but that does not generally turn into leads most of the time. It's the long tail keywords that is where there's a lot of sale. Let's just like if someone is searching for a bicycle, bicycle can mean anything, but the long tail keyword, that's where there's a lot of sales. Okay, so when someone is very specific in their search term, black 10 speed cruiser, now we are talking. The probability of conversion is a lot higher. The probability that you're going to convert into sales is a lot higher. However, most advertisers don't do that. They just run a very simple keyword because it takes a lot of work to run ads that target the long tail of the search, because there's hundreds of keywords, and setting up an ad for each keyword takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you have about hundreds of keywords, that's going to take you thousands of minutes. And most people aren't able to do that. But if you are able to do that, you get a lot of clicks, and those clicks turn into leads as well. And those clicks turn into leads as well. So this is what common practice usually do. They have one ad, targeting a lot of keywords. So what we do is we have one ad for each keyword, and we do that by using a software that we spend over $20,000 developing, and that's something that's going to be made available for your campaign. This is an example of a campaign that we got. We spent over $44,000 on, and we have over 8,000 different ads for different keywords, and then we do that on Facebook, and Instagram as well. We run a lot of different ads to see which one, hits the pinpoint of the market the most, which one can work the best way possible. And once we get those clicks in the cheapest cost possible, then we get them to the most appropriate landing page. And here is an example of a landing page. Typical landing page. Most people send the traffic to is a website, and then their website, leads don't convert as well, because there's, if you look at this website right here, there's so much traffic as well, so many places they can click on, and it's not even in so many places they can click on and get distracted. There's no call to action. And then it's not even optimized for mobile traffic. When 75% of traffic is coming from mobile devices. So what we do instead is we create a landing page similar to this. Click where there's a strong there's a strong call to action. Clicks are highly irrelevant, and after clicks are highly irrelevant, people go to a landing page. They know where to click to get the deal. They know where to fill out a form. There's no distraction. The only call to actions that they have to do is to make a phone call, fill out a form. We fill out a form, and then if you're able to get leads converting a lot better, we're able to get the top 1%. You're able to get the top 1%, performance in the marketplace, and then we're able to we're able to get you to the top 1% performance. I know, this might leave you feeling a little overwhelmed. You might have to watch this video again. But however, what we have done is make this a lot simpler. Simpler for you. We've created the solar energy client system where we take all the hard work from you. We take all the worrying away from you, and we will take care of all the Google ads, the Facebook ads, and the Instagram ads, and all you got is a solar energy client. And all you got is a solar energy client, and then that's all you need to worry about. All you need to worry about is how to answer those phone calls, how to respond to those forms that are going to be generating for you every single month. We just look at how many clicks we are actually generated for you, because that's all that matters at the end of the day. You shouldn't be worrying about anything. You shouldn't be worrying about all the different, ad sources. We do all the ads for you. We'll take care of the Google ads, and Facebook ads, and then the Instagram ads, and then, you know, and then you're able to be, you on your, and when you add, when someone types in your keyword, your ad will appear, and then you will be among the top one, the top 1% performance in the market. And then we guarantee we just guarantee guarantee 100 leads every month. We are so confident. I'm willing to give you up to 100 leads every month, guaranteed. We can start with 100 leads or however you want, but think about it. What would that mean for your business next month? What you get is 100 leads guaranteed every month. Approving landing page setup, perfect ad setup, on Google, Facebook, staff onboarding training, where I train your staff on how to answer those phone calls, on how to close those leads, and I'll have a lead tracking system for your campaign. I'll be monitoring your campaign, and then click optimization and lead reporting. You can get all that. If you're really interested, you can text me or at this number, or email me back, and we talk. And then we'll start talking about setting up this system. But if you're interested, really interested, this system can be set up for you for just a fraction of what you be making. $4,000 every month. You will get all this with this price. With this price, so it's $4,000 every month. You guaranteed 100 leads every month. Improving landing page, perfect ad setup, staff onboarding, lead tracking, campaign monitoring, and click optimization and lead reporting. So if that's something you're interested in, call me or text me back, and then we will talk about setting up this system. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.